Hello and welcome. You're watching BT I'm Tanya Neja. Well, Indian markets have had a stellar run in 2023, 21K on Nifty, 71K on Sensex. And in the second half of the year, the Indian market witnessed a remarkable recovery from its March 23 bottom, and the broader market outperformed the large cap companies by notable margins. The Indian benchmark index Nifty 50 grew by 18% on a YTD basis. Small and mid cap indices emerged as the true winners during this period, displaying substantial growth of 43 and 46% respectively. Axis Securities believes that the Indian equity market will maintain a higher premium to emerging markets over the next year as well. The positive outlook would be further supported by a strong earnings forecast, the improved health of the banking sector, and encouraging expectations in the private capex cycle. The brokerage firm has come up with 9 New Year picks for 2024. So let's do one thing. Let's take a look at the picks one by one. The first one is Pitti Engineering. The recommendation on this particular counter is supported by the company's robust capex and capacity addition, directly resulting in strong improvement in the company's order book, increasing revenue contribution from value-added products, upcoming merger with Pitti Castings, and improvement in operating margins. The target given by Axis Securities on this counter is of 915 rupees. Next, we have Cyient as well. The brokerage firm is bullish on this particular counter because of accelerated demand for ER&D services. It also believes that Cyient is well positioned to capitalize on aerospace digitization and advanced tech for aircraft performance. The global demand for aircraft is likely to double in the next 15 years, which took 23 years to double last time around. The target for this particular stock is of 3,000 rupees. Then we have Archean Chemical Industries. That's there in the list as well. The company is the largest exporter of bromine and industrial salt in India. Axis Securities believes that the company is well placed in the bromination space given strong industry growth driven by increasing use of bromine in agrochem and pharma chemistries and forward integration into high value business with strong demand from the largest geographies in the world. The company has scaled up its bromine production capacity over the years, and long gestation periods required for commercial viability act as an effective entry barrier. The target for this particular counter is of 810 rupees. Next on the list is SBI. So 800, that's the target given by Axis Securities on SBI. And among PSU banks, SBI remains the best play on the gradual recovery of the Indian economy on account of its healthy PCR, robust capitalization, strong liability franchise, and improved asset quality outlook. Axis Securities also believes that SBI remains well poised to deliver ROA and ROE of 1% and 16% over FY26, supported by stable credit cost and steady cost ratios as well. We have Amber Enterprises as well in the list, and the brokerage firm is bullish on this company because of robust order book in its railway subsystems and mobility division. It is also bullish because of the increasing value-added products, improving operating leverage, resulting in improving ROE and ROCE and operating margins. Target for this particular stock is of 3,700 rupees. Westlife Foodworld, that's the next pick recommended by Axis Securities with a target price of 1,000 rupees. Axis remains positive on this particular company because of strong execution track record of revenue and EBITDA growth of 17% and 51% respectively over FY16 to FY20, which was driven by new product launches and cost rationalization programs. It expects the company to deliver healthy revenue and EBITDA growth going forward as well. Third last on the list is Sansera Engineering with a target price of 1210 rupees. The company has experienced an upswing in its order book, particularly in areas beyond traditional ICE components. According to Axis Securities, the company's consolidated EBITDA margins will accelerate towards a targeted 18 to 19% by FY26 from 16% in FY23, and its ROE will improve to 18.5% by FY26 from 13.3% in FY23. Second last, we have Manappuram Finance with a target price of 205 rupees. So according to Axis Securities, Manappuram continues to make efforts to diversify the portfolio in order to reduce the cyclicity of the gold loan business and reduce the share of gold loans to 50%. It believes that the current valuations are attractive for ROA and ROE delivery of 4.9 to 20% over the medium term. Last but not the least, we have JK Lakshmi Cement. By the way, cement stocks are on a roll in today's trading session. So JK Lakshmi Cement, that is also in the list with a target price of 1000 rupees. The company's top line and margins are expected to enhance on account of its superior positioning in the key markets of North, West and East India, along with higher cement demand and several strategic initiatives undertaken by the company in recent times. So these were the top 9 picks that were shared by Axis Securities. But for more stock tips and ideas, you don't have to go anywhere. You just have to stay tuned to BT TV.